Are your emails consistently landing in spam folders? The secret to inbox success often lies in your DNS settings. Join us as we demystify A records and rDNS, crucial components for robust email deliverability, especially with Gmail. DNS, or Domain Name System, is the Internet's phone book. It translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses. Without it, computers couldn't find each other. For email, DNS is vital. It helps locate mail servers, verifies sender identity, and routes messages correctly. Many anti-spam systems rely on DNS to check server reputation. A records, or address records, map your domain name to an IPv4 address. They are fundamental for directing traffic to the correct server. For Gmail, A records ensure emails route to Google's servers. They also authenticate your domain for Google services and enable web access. Incorrect A record setup causes major issues. You might face email delivery failures, authentication errors, or even security vulnerabilities. Misaligned records can conflict with SPF, leading to deliverability problems. First, access your domain registrar's DNS management section. This is often labeled DNS settings or name servers. Next, create new A-type records. For your root domain, use I. For a subdomain like mail, use mail. Point these to Google's IP addresses, such as 142.250.153.26. Set the TTL, time to live, to 3600 seconds, 1 hour. Save your changes. Verify propagation using a DNS lookup tool like MX Toolbox. If you encounter issues, double-check your entries for typos. Remember, DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate fully. Clear your DNS cache if needed. Reverse DNS, or rDNS, is the opposite of a standard DNS lookup. It translates an IP address back into a domain name. This uses PTR, pointer records. rDNS is crucial for email server operations. It helps verify the legitimacy of sending servers and significantly improves your email reputation. Many providers require valid rDNS. Proper rDNS boosts deliverability. Receiving servers often check rDNS before accepting mail. A matching record increases acceptance rates and helps bypass gray listing. Lack of rDNS or mismatched records can trigger spam filters. Spammers often use IPs without proper rDNS, making it a key indicator for detection. For rDNS setup, you'll typically coordinate with your ISP or hosting provider. Provide them with your static IP address and the desired rDNS hostname, like mail.yourdomain.com. While Google manages Gmail servers, ensure your domain's DNS is correctly set up. If using an SMTP relay, configure your static IP as an outbound gateway in Google Workspace. Verify your rDNS using an online lookup tool. Enter your static IP and confirm it resolves to your specified hostname. Send a test email and check headers for confirmation. Emails not delivering? Check for incorrect MX or A records, emails landing in spam. Missing or incorrect SPF, DKIM, or DMARC records are often the cause. Unable to send emails? This could be incorrect outbound mail server settings. Inconsistent delivery often points to DNS propagation issues or conflicting records. Authentication failures, like increased spam scores, frequently stem from mismatched rDNS PTR records. Always verify all your DNS configurations. Ensuring your email authentication protocols are correctly set up is crucial. The free Warmy email spam test offers a comprehensive solution to verify your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC settings quickly. Warmy provides authentication verification, deliverability insights, and blacklist checks. It offers additional diagnostics to identify potential issues. This quick test saves hours of troubleshooting. Mastering A records and rDNS is essential for maximizing your email system's effectiveness. Correct A records ensure seamless email delivery and reception, guiding traffic to the right servers. rDNS adds a vital layer of validity, enhancing deliverability and reducing spam flagging. In the realm of email, reputation is everything. Ready to boost your email deliverability and ensure your messages always hit the inbox? Visit warmy.io today for a free email spam test and take control of your DNS settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert tips.